Hey guys, what is up? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel for another video, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Darlene Marie and I am so glad to be guys here. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a YouTube video. I do apologize, but your girl is back, ready to make more content for you guys. And yeah, I just like, for summer, it is so hard to film YouTube videos because my house gets extremely hot during the summer and I have got to have the AC on and like 3 fans, and I am literally dying right now because I had to turn all the fans off and the air off, and I have this huge light in front of me, so I am sweaty. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't been filming. It's not an excuse. I think I'm gonna do like maybe more vlogs. I kind of want to do like a thrift with me next week, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. For like the summer, I can do just some like outdoorsy kind of fun stuff. If you guys want to watch that, let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna get on today's video. So the whole thing behind today's video is going to be this amazing company called Layered with Lace. I've been with them since the very beginning, since they launched, I want to say last October. I think they first launched, and I've been a subscriber of them since then. So I have built up quite a few bralettes and I have nothing bad to say about them. I absolutely love everything that I've received, and my bra size I think is a 36 B or C. I honestly don't know. I haven't worn bras since literally like 3 or 4 years. And I used to always, like, before Layered with Lace, I would always go to like Target or Victoria's Secret and get really cute bralettes. And I literally have not purchased a bralette from any like retailer since Layered with Lace. One of my biggest concerns is about the sizes and if it was gonna fit me. And I think literally all of them fit me with the exception of one, and it's just the like boob part was just a little too small on me, but I think that's just the style. I obviously prefer a little bit more coverage on, like, you know, covering up the girls and the little, you don't know, nip slips. And I think that was just my only problem with just one style. But other than that one style, they all fit me really, really well. They're not tight, they cover the boobs, they cover the nips, there's no slippage, and they're also very, very comfortable. I want to touch on the prices. They are $16 a month and a flat fee. If you are in the US, it is free shipping. If you are in Canada, it's $8, and then anywhere else it's going to be $10. So I think that that's a really, really great price, because I know when I was going to like Target and Victoria's Secret, I was spending about 20 bucks maybe like at Target and like 30 to 40 bucks at Victoria's Secret. So they're super affordable, and you can also cancel at any time. You don't have to be signed up for like the whole year or anything. You can cancel at any time or even skip a month. As long as you cancel or skip it before the 14th of every month, you will not be charged at $16 fees. But they do take the $16 out of my account every month, which I'm fine with because it is a subscription, so it's going to come directly out of your account every month. The other super cute thing is this packaging, but this packaging is so adorable. It says here the wait is over, XO Layered with Lace, and it's just so cute. I love coming home or opening my mailbox and seeing this cute little package. Like, doesn't this give you mermaid vibes? Like, it is so cute. This iridescent kind of opal color. It's just so beautiful. I just love seeing this in my mailbox. It just makes me so happy. And the fact that they put so much effort into the packaging just makes me like love it even more. I'm a sucker for packaging and all things cute, and this makes for a great Instagram picture. One of the other beautiful things that Layered with Lace does is with every photo, using the hashtag Layered with Lace, they donate $1 to breast cancer research, which is so awesome. And I love the fact that they give it back to an amazing cause. And it's also a great way to get your photo reposted on their Instagram page. So I don't want to get too sappy here. I also just wanted to say that Layered with Lace as a company and a whole, and as far as their customer service goes, is absolutely amazing. I have had nothing but the greatest experience getting to know them and working with them. Now I'm going to go into like a little try-on portion of how I would style a few bralettes. I'm obviously wearing one right now, and I love the way that this looks with just like an off-the-shoulder dress or an off-the-shoulder shirt. I think having the straps shown here is just so pretty. So this style right here is going to be this month, which is July's bralette, and this is my favorite bralette so far. It is so cute. I love all the lace detailing, and it's just like a cute racer back, and it's just so cute. And this would look so cute with like an off-the-shoulder shirt. Another one of my favorites is this one's bralette, and I love the color. But this one is just so cute. I think I just love like how dainty and like delicate this looks. It's just so pretty. And this is another one of my favorites. I love the back of this so much. And this looks so cute with like an open back shirt or a sweater or something. Let me show you guys. Oh, Dolly, I probably would want to see. But the back looks like this. If I can hold this right. Probably should have put this like on a hanger or something. But the back is so cute. So this is the back and I love it so much. I just love the openness of this. I think it's so cute. And again, I love it when the bralettes come down a little bit more. It gives you that extra bit of coverage. And if you also want to wear a shirt, oh my god, it's inside out. How embarrassing. Alrighty guys, it's going to conclude my video. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to subscribe to Layered with Lace, there will be a direct link in my description box down below. Also, use the code Darlene10 to save you money at checkout. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking around. Hopefully you guys have a good night. Please be safe and stay blessed wherever you are. And I'll see you guys soon.